Howdy, it's Amy Harber, and this is Tomboy Beauty. That's all the cool places you can find me on the interwebs. Yes, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Oh my gosh, this might be one of the coolest boxes that Target has ever done. They have 2 boxes in January. I have both of them for you. This one's just really cool though, and it's got a lot of stuff in it. It's clean up your beauty routine. I mean, you're going to clean up your face, your hands, your body, your laundry with this box, your teeth, pretty much anything you can clean with. Yeah. So let's get into all these fun smelling awesome products. Okay, Target, January box 1 of 2. Clean up your beauty routine. Yes, from ingredient conscious formulas to recyclable packaging, there's no better time now than to give your beauty routine a clean start. But there's so many options to choose from. Picking the right products can be trickier than it seems. Oh, these are all tried and tested. Oh, they're gonna make your complexion brighter, your skin softer, and your teeth even whiter. I don't know why I keep making noises, like trumpety noises. Okay, so we have Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula, Coconut Oil Body Lotion. Obviously, it smells like coconut. Oh, go figure. Fancy that. Okay, not a fan of the lid that just happens to pop off. Won't be traveling with that. Then we have Lumene Nordic Arctic Berry Cleansing Balm. Okay. Oh, wait. This is the oil. The oil. This is the cleansing balm. This is the cleansing balm, and then you put the oil on afterwards. Yes. But before your moisturizer. So it's like a serum. So 1, 2. Yay. Then Native Mini. I love these when I travel. They're so great. I'll probably just take this with me and that'll be my deodorant. There we go. I like the charcoal because, and here's why I like the charcoal best of all. The charcoal, most aluminum-free deodorants are just deodorants and not antiperspirants. However, the charcoal ones will do it better. So that is my opinion about that with aluminum-free deodorant. But Native's really awesome. I'm always getting little travel ones from them and I love them. Okay, then Yuni Travel Shower Sheet Body Wipe. Okay. I've never been on a long haul flight. I'm going to be on a long haul flight. Every YouTube video I've watched said you will feel like you haven't showered in a week when you get off the plane. Not this girl, because guess what? I got a shower in a bag right here. It's oversized. It's super soft. It's a body wipe made with natural purifying neem, peppermint, and citrus smell. Oh, so you will feel fresh anywhere. Guess what? I win. Actually, I'll let you know if I win after I try it. Then we have Burt's Bee Fluoride Free. I was raised on crust. I don't know how I feel about that. Purely White Zen Peppermint Toothpaste. Okay. It's made without peroxide too. I do like their toothpaste. Okay. Up and Up Premium Rounds. I love them. There's only 2 in here. That's a night for me. That's one night for me. Eye makeup remover. Micellar water. There we go. Okay. Mrs. Meyer's Oat Blossom Hand Soap. I might just have to keep this in my backpack because you don't know how many times I have been in public restrooms and there's no soap. Especially in Chicago, that is gross. Like literally, I might have to put this in my backpack. Oh, it's a household mini. Okay. Yay. Finally, I've never gotten this in a beauty box before. I'm excited. I hate doing laundry. Love Home and Planet laundry detergent in lavender and argan oil. Ah, yes. It's made from ingredients that comes from renewable sources, and it's packed in a recyclable bottle. Oh, and they also gave me a coupon for $2 off. Boom. I would open the seal, but okay, let's just break the seal. If it comes off easily, I'll do it. There. No, didn't want to stick. I was going to be funny. Oh, that smells good. I hate doing laundry. Absolutely hate it. I got to do laundry tomorrow, though, so guess what I'm using? Yay. I'm using that. And that is box number 1 for January. This is where to find me. Until then, stay beautiful.